my So Gone challenge. Thank you, Ebony. Yo. The mentality of reality is crazy. A woman can't even walk down the street with a baby. Bullet spray painting the world with a topping.
Donald Trump is the next president.
Nigga, stop it. Race isn't a race just to see who's better. Why don't we come together and start making this cheddar? Cause the minute we start doing that, we take over the world. And there won't be no stories about the mother losing the baby girl. Now it's crazy how we can do this. Just imagine if the world applied better students. Instead of So Gone, let's stay around and start another movement. How about So Done? And man, I'm the first one to do it. Nah, man, never mind. I ain't gonna do it. Cause the thing is I can start something, man, I must be stupid. You gotta be famous on FB, IG, or SMP. Man, that's even something that Stevie Wonder could see. Nah, man, I ain't taking shots at the legend. I wanna be more famous than Jordan dropping 11s. Man, they just choose the principle, man, and I'm so gone. I left Usain Bolt in the stands.